today along the banks of the mighty Mystic River, and we are going to enjoy a local Japanese market, Ebisuya Market, where we're going to have some ramen and some onigiri, and we are also going to try some local Japanese snacks for you today. So come on along, you don't want to miss it. Ramen. Something that's been missing in my life. As we all know, ramen is really hard to travel. It needs to be eaten right away. Let's take a try of the broth first. Ooh.
Definitely has a dashi flavor.
Dashi. It's delicious. And not really salty at all. Wow. 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 This might definitely be my favorite thing I've eaten in like months. I would literally just eat this pork with nothing else. I've never had pork this tender inside ramen before. These noodles, a little bit of a buttery quality. It's almost like carbonara silkiness. We got a little runny egg. Put a little bit on the ramen noodles here. Stir it in. That's where you get the carbonara. Wow. Definitely get a bowl of ramen. Absolutely brilliant.
What are you having to drink?
I got so excited about my ramen and I forgot that I had some tea to enjoy. This is some Suntory, rich and clear taste. Just standard oolong, no sugar. Goes nicely with the very umami burst of flavors in the ramen.
It's filled with curry.
So this is a savory donut.
Yeah. In Japanese, it's called a karepan, and it's usually a very mild Japanese curry. It's definitely a sweet curry. There's no spice at all. It's just got a little bit of that Indian yellow curry taste to it, but it's not very spicy at all. Let's try this with a little bit of Kewpie mayo.
What's Kewpie mayo?
Kewpie mayo is a specific brand of Japanese mayo. It's a little bit more sweet. If you took mayo and moved it slightly the needle towards Miracle Whip.
Okay.
Horse mackerel. In Japanese, that's aji, and this particular preparation, it's a butterflied horse mackerel that's been coated in panko and deep fried. It's called an aji fry. Let's go ahead and try this.
Itadakimasu.
Nice, tender, mild fish. It's almost like eating a fish stick, but you're actually eating an entire fish. This is yummy. Aji fry. You can even eat the tail.
They have nice little numbers here to help those that are terrible at putting things together like me. All the way around, okay. Okay. With this?
Yep, keep going. All the way to the other side.
Where do I start?
Just the corner.
Right here?
Yeah. And then you're just gonna pull the sides apart.
Like just like this?
Yeah.
Take the tape. And then 3, holding it? Oh, I see. I see.
And then it comes into contact with the rice.
2 hours later.
I'm giving up.
Tomorrow for sure.
I had it at first,
I
but
thought you had it for a second there.
I know. So what do I do with this?
Eventually.
Watch. That's This comes off, and then this comes off.
I was thinking that there was some sort of fancy, like... Okay, it's cooked. Is it usually cooked? I would have liked it raw, but oh well. Yeah, I like the crispness of the seaweed. If you don't like raw fish, this is for you. It's just pretty much like a salmon salad inside.
All right, this is the spicy tuna onigiri. It's a tuna sandwich.
Yum.
It's like a tuna sandwich, but made with rice and seaweed. Nice and easy, compact, very clean to eat. And it's actually a very generous portion of fish here. This is the one I was really looking forward to. Taiko, which is a spicy cod roe. It is the fish egg.
Like caviar.
Specifically though, of the cod. Very, very intense.
Really fishy?
Very fishy. It's not that spicy, so if you're, sensitive to spicy food, don't worry about it. I can see why they would want a smaller portion of mentaiko in this compared to the tuna, because it's such a strong taste. You need that rice to really taste the subtlety of the mentaiko.
Fried octopus balls of goodness, bonito flakes. You can get this at most Japanese restaurants, especially like a izakaya that has like bar food. Just corn snacks that are supposed to be takoyaki flavored. Let's check them out. And for those at home interested, there will be a new YouTube channel called Watch Me Open or Not Open Anything. Okay.
3 hours later.
Takoyaki balls. Almost looks like cinnamon on it. Not too fishy. Slightly sweet. I'm pleasantly surprised by these. Took me a minute to figure out what this texture exactly is. Captain Crunch Takoyaki. Trademark not approved. Takoyaki.
This is a very traditional Japanese dessert called Wagashi, which just means Japanese sweets. Literally means Japanese sweets. Silky texture to the mochi on the outside.
What is mochi actually? They're with rice, right?
So mochi is a product of rice. It's been pounded until it results in this very stretchy, gooey. The word for that texture in Japanese is mochi. So
leave it to the Japanese.
when you talk about something that has a mochi-like texture, you say it's mochi mochi. Red bean or anko is the very traditional filling in Japanese sweets. And they actually have different levels of quality too, depending on how finely ground the beans are or how coarsely ground they are. Or a classic Japanese taste. I would give it 4 mochis. There you go, everybody. That was Ebisuya Japanese Market. A great place to come on the weekends. They have the kitchen open to serve some hot bento, as well as ramen to go. You can also get sushi made to order. So come on to Medford and check it out. Medford にいます。
本当かどうかの境界いつだってさ求めて窓ばっかり眺めていつだってそう
octopus.